In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use live chat in EverWebinar and how it can elevate your webinars. Stay tuned because I'll also show you some pro tips to make sure your live chat experience runs smoothly and engages your audience. First off, let's dive into how you can enable live chat in EverWebinar. It's simple. Just head to your webinar dashboard and open the settings for the webinar you're hosting. Once there, go to the Chat Settings tab and enable the live chat feature. You'll see a toggle switch to turn it on. That's it. Now you've activated live chat and you're ready to connect with your attendees in real time. Next thing, let's look at customizing your live chat experience. EverWebinar lets you set the color scheme of your chat box to match your branding. You can also set up automated welcome messages or even have the system display a message when someone joins the webinar, letting them know they're in the right place. These little touches make your live chat feel more professional and tailored to your audience. The third thing you need to know is about moderation. EverWebinar has a built-in moderation tool that lets you control the flow of messages during the webinar. You can choose to allow or block specific words, or even remove comments that don't align with your brand. This is perfect for keeping the conversation respectful and on topic. Now, let's talk about engaging your audience with live chat. You can encourage attendees to ask questions, comment on your presentation, or even respond to polls you set up. This level of interaction makes your webinar feel more like a conversation rather than just a one-way presentation. And when you engage with the chat, it builds trust and rapport with your audience, which can boost conversions. The fifth pro tip, use live chat to address questions or concerns during the webinar. It's a great way to interact without interrupting the flow of your presentation. This also lets you directly address any issues in real time, making your audience feel heard and valued. Now that you know how to use live chat in EverWebinar, it's time to explore how you can supercharge your webinars with advanced features like integrating chat with your email campaigns or tracking chat engagement for follow-ups. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that you can try EverWebinar completely free from the first link in the description below. And don't forget, you get exclusive bonuses just for signing up through that link. To sum up, you've just learned how to use live chat in EverWebinar to engage your audience, customize your chat box, moderate conversations, and even improve conversions. And if you want to take it to the next level, the link below gives you an extended free trial of EverWebinar with our exclusive bonuses. Be sure to click that link and give EverWebinar a try today.